Hello, my name is Alex Carnifex, and today I'm going to do a simple and easy tutorial on how to fix "This site cannot be reached" on Google Chrome Windows 10. Like when you go on Google and you try typing in anything, it comes up with an error. I don't know why this happens. I don't know if it's due to a VPN or a virus or if you restart your computer, but I want to quickly go into how to fix it. I don't want to waste any more of your time and I want to get straight to the tutorial. I'll explain everything step by step. Pause the video if I go too fast. First, go on Google Chrome, type in what you're searching for in the search bar. Then, it should tell you on the middle of the page, "This site cannot be reached," and then select Troubleshoot. And then after it's done detecting, it will come up with something like quote unquote, "This DNS server isn't responding," and then close the troubleshooter. And then go to Settings at the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, and then click Advanced Settings, and then go all the way down to Open Proxy Settings, and then select LAN Settings. Unselect quote unquote, "Use a proxy server for your LAN." Only have automatic detect setting at the top checked, but make sure you uncheck everything else. Minimize Google, go on your desktop and type in Control Panel. Click on View Networks, and then click on View Networks and Tasks. And right under Access Type, right where it says Connection, click on that, and then select Properties, and then select Internet Protocol version 4. And then check Obtain an IP address automatically, uncheck Use the following IP address. And then select at the bottom Obtain DNS server automatically, and just as before, uncheck the box below it. Restart Google Chrome, and then you're free. Type in whatever you want and this should all be fixed. I know because I did it 3 days ago. Basically, I don't know why this happens, but it's a really annoying error. And hopefully this YouTube video was informative. Subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other videos as well for some more amazing content. I am Alex Carnifex, and I am out.